Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim Courage. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining the Kim's family. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for staying with me. Today's makeup tutorial is I tried following so and so makeup tutorial, and the person I'm trying to follow for this video is Knook. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing surname right, but on Instagram, she's Makeup by Anne. Okay guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing just my high makeup because of who I'm trying to follow on this tutorial, on this makeup tutorial. She don't normally do her face on camera. She does just a high look on camera. So hence why I've got my foundation and my eyebrow done off camera. So we're just gonna jump right into this tutorial.
The first eyeliner that I'm going in with is the Fix Line in the shade White Rabbit by HudaBeauty. First of all, I need to excuse my hair because it looks terrible. I had no idea that it would look this weird on camera, I think because I used a black camera. Also, the ISO, don't know how to say it in English, is way too high of my camera.
So she didn't mention anything about priming a eyelid or whatnot. So, but then she's using a white base. I don't have that. And I'm going to be using the Clown White face paints. And I'm going to be using the Real Technique eyeliner brush, if I'm right. So, yes, let's dig into this. Okay, so she's just basically depositing all this thing randomly on her lid. I think I've overdone the whites, like I'm not sure if there's any more space. Okay, we're just gonna move on.
I'm going to use this yellow Vivid liner by NYX. Now as you can see, I'm just making little dots all over my eyelid. First I went in with the white dots, now I'm going in with these yellow dots and I'm just placing them random. First, when I started this eye look, I
do have the yellow, the NYX yellow Vivid Brights.
Frag Out!
I don't have the purpose. I'm going to be using this lipstick from Ebony Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using the same pencil, sorry, the same brush by Real Technique to apply that all over my lid.
Now I'm going to use this pinky shade, and this is a liquid, so I'm using a eyeliner brush to apply this on the eyelids. And this is a eyeliner brush by Anastasia, which is a new one. I believe they launched the brushes on Black Friday.
So okay, she's using the Anastasia liquid lipstick. I don't have that shade. I'm going to be using my CoverGirl liquid lipstick in Forever.
Brush, and now I'm kind of making soft dots. Now I'm going to use the Stairway to Heaven Fix Line by Ofra, and I'm using this to make all kind of blue dots. As you can see, it's just very easy.
So she's using another base by Ofra. I don't have that base. I'm going to be using another liquid lipstick by CoverGirl, and it's in blue.
A round shape, more like a smudged something. So now I'm going to use the Black Fix Line by Ofra. You can also use a gel eyeliner, but the consistency of this Ofra product is way more wet.
Okay, she's using another product from Ofra. I don't have that. I don't actually have any Ofra products, so I'm going to be using my Fine Line liquid liner pen by LA Girl. and I'm gonna be doing the same thing.
I'm going to use the Vivid Brightening number 1 by NYX. Doing the same thing, just randomly placing this all over the place. And I'm just trying to find some gaps where I can place this. I really wanted my eyelid to be full covered with
another Vivid Bright. I don't have the pink one, so I'm just gonna use the orange Vivid Bright.
Thicker to lighter. Now I'm going in with this number 3 Vivid Brights by NYX. This is a green shade, and again I'm searching for some empty spaces to.
So now she's going with the Vivid Green liner.
Apply this right on top of other shades. Give it a layer. So now it's time for the eyeliner. I'm using the Little Black Dress eyeliner by BHCosmetic, and I just went back and forth with all the eyeliner colors that I used to make the eye look even more stippled.
A gel liner to do a winged line. I'm gonna be using my NUA felted pen winged liner. I mean eyeliner, whatever you want to call it.
Now I'm going to use the Suiva Black Soft Kohl pencil for my waterline. Nothing special, just blending this in my waterline, and I'm also trying to tight line my upper lash line to make it look extra black. Sometimes when I make close-up pictures you can still see, so I really wanted it to look very black. Now I'm going to use the Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter eyeshadow, and I'm using a very tiny brush which I believe is by Suiva. And I'm pressing this black shade right underneath my lower lash line and also on top of my waterline. I feel like whenever I do this, it really makes the eye pencil in my waterline stay better in place. And to connect it with the pencil in my waterline, it also looks extra black. I don't know how to explain it in English, but it just goes from the waterline underneath the eyes, and yeah, I don't know. Now I'm using a warm brown shade to blend that out, just a random brown shade that I believe.
So guys, here is the finished eye look. I'm just gonna complete the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look, and I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one.